Hi, I'm Franklin from Franklinvest. In this video, I'll show you how you can license your Golden Records vinyl to CD software free of charge. Just follow the few steps that I'll show you in this video. So, let's get started. The first thing you have to do in order to achieve this is to go to your web browser. I'll use Google Chrome for this video. So you go to your web browser and you type in nchsoftware.com and search for it. Then on the page, you come and hover on this option here, this download option. So when you hover on it, you can see some options of software that you can download from the website. So right now, as you can see here, there's no G, so you can't see Golden Records here. So what you have to do now is to come to the last option here, see all downloads, and you click on it. So on this page, you scroll down in order to check whether there is Golden Records on this page. So here you can see Golden Records vinyl to CD converter. So in order to download this, what you have to do now is to click on this here for Windows. So if you're using Mac OS, you click on this. So but I'm using Windows, so I'll click on this and it will start downloading right here. Okay, it's downloading. Still downloading. We're almost there. Okay, it's done downloading. So what you have to do now is to open the software. So I have a message on my screen. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll select yes in order for us to be able to install this software. So yes, and the installation process begins. So I accept the license terms. Yes, accept. Okay, I'm not going to do all these settings right now because I just want to get licensed and registered. So what you have to do now in order for you to register this and license it is you click on file and you come down to register Golden Records. So you click on that too, and here is the space where you are supposed to put in the registration code for Golden Records. So what you have to do is to go down to the description of this video and copy the code that I put in the description. So you paste it in as I'm going to paste in the code that I'll copy from here right now. So copy the code, Ctrl C to copy on Windows, and Ctrl V to paste. Or you can also click on this paste here in order to paste it and save yourself some time. So and when you've pasted it in, what you have to do next is to click on register, and the registration is successful. So let's see. Okay, thanks for registering Golden Records vinyl to CD converter. So the software is registered, and when you close it up and you open it again, you'll see licensed software. See here, licensed software. So the software is licensed and it is registered. So all you have to do is to download the software and copy the code and put in the description of this video, paste it in, and you're good to go. So that's the end of this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave a comment below if you have a suggestion or commendation for the video. Thank you for watching.